Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are well. Today I Shweta is going to explain the topic cancer from chapter number 8 Human Health and Disease. And today we will learn about its type, causes, symptoms and its treatment. So without any further ado, let's get started. Cancer. The word cancer, it looks fear in our mind, and why not? It is a disease that claims more than millions of lives annually in India alone. So, starting with the definition of cancer. Cancer is a type of disease where cells grow out of control, divides, and invade other tissues. How cancer starts? Cells divides to replace the damaged cell. Normal cell divides in a controlled way just when they need to. The growth of cancer cell is uncontrolled. As shown, cancer cell colored green starts to divide and keeps dividing. The rapidly dividing cells pushes aside the healthy cells around it and form a structure called tumor. Usually cell divides when their genes tell them. But if a genes have a mutation can tell a cell to divide without any reason. The meaning of mutation is change in genetic material. When cancer starts, our body immunity system recognizes the cancer cell and kills some of them, but can't get rid of all the cancer cells. These cells further grow and form a contact with blood vessels, and this leads to spreading of cancer cell all over the body, hence called as malignant tumors. Some other cells which grow but can't spread to the other parts of the body are known as benign tumors. When these tumor cells divides, they reach distant sites through bloods and further start growing to form a new tumor. This property is known as metastasis. Now we will talk about its symptoms. Depending upon the type of cancers, there are different symptoms. Let us take an example of lung cancer. Symptoms includes are a change in a cough, being short of breath, loss of appetite, etc. Causes of cancer. Any substance that has the potential to cause cancers in living tissue is known as carcinogens. It can be physical agents, chemical agents, biological agents, and radiations. Example of such agents are smoking and tobacco are physical agents. Excess of fat diet, alcohol, constant use of artificial sweeteners are chemical agents. Parasites, viruses. Now, oncogenic virus is one of the major cause of lung cancer that comes under biological agents. X-rays, UV rays and gamma rays are radiations. So these are some examples of agents that can cause cancers. Proto-oncogenes or cellular oncogenes are cancer-causing agents that are already present in normal cells, but they are activated only under certain conditions. Now moving towards detection and diagnosis. The techniques that are used to detect the cancer are: first is biopsy. In this, a piece of suspected tissue is cut, stained, and examined under microscope. Second is radiography, in which X-rays are used. Third is CT scan, that is computed tomography. Fourth is MRI, that is magnetic resonance imaging. Now, let us study how to prevent cancer. Cancer can be prevented by regular physical activities, exercise, consumption of healthy and green food, and also by reducing stress. Treatment of cancer. There are 4 general methods of treatment of cancer. First is surgery. It involves removal of entire cancer tissue. Second is radiation therapy. It involves exposure of cancer tissue of body to X-rays which destroy rapid growing cells without harming surrounding tissue. Third is chemotherapy. It includes administration of anti-cancer drugs. They inhibit cell division by inhibiting DNA synthesis. They have side effects like hair loss, anemia, etc. Fourth is immunotherapy. In this, patients are given a substance that is alpha antiferon which activates their immunity system. With this, I end up the session and thank you for lending your precious time to me.